So the ingredient to make baked honey garlic chicken is 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 4 tablespoons of honey, 3 number of garlic finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 chicken thigh. So the step is really easy. First you have to mix oyster sauce to the honey, and basically we just mix everything, the garlic and then the salt and pepper together, and then you're gonna mix it. And then you pour into the chicken. Then you coat it. Then let it sit for about 10 minutes. While waiting for the chicken, make sure you preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. So it's already 10 minutes. We're gonna transfer the chicken to the baking tray. Make sure you have aluminum foil to cover your baking tray so the chicken doesn't stick on the baking tray. Make sure the skin of the chicken is facing up. Then coat the sauce. Then we are ready to transfer to the oven. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, the chicken is done. There you have it, baked honey garlic chicken. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.